Hello fellow classmates, I'm going to be doing my presentation over Google Classroom. Now, I cannot actually access the Google Classroom application just simply because my school, or my future school, will need to utilize Google Apps for Education for me to actually sign in, create an account, and be a part of Google Classroom itself. However, I will continue to tell you about it through the various tabs I have pulled up upon the website. Within Google Classroom, teachers can submit assignments for students to do. They can take attendance and they can take roll and design seating charts throughout Google Classroom. This would be an example of a sample assignment the teachers could submit for students to complete. As you can see, the teacher can view each student's name and the status of whether or not they have turned in or not turned in their assignments. Now here is a short video explaining the concept of what and how, how a teacher can submit a grade for a student submitting an assignment. You can tell that they could just type in a grade and hit return, and immediately the feedback is sent to the student. Here is a video about the Google Classroom itself. I'm going to be skipping the various parts throughout the video. Here, this is an example of where a teacher can create their own class for students to view. Next, you can assign students to your classroom itself. And the students can add files from Google Drive, YouTube, and any other web page. And they can work on them in Google Docs to submit them into the Google Classroom application. Now, teachers can view their submitted assignments and, like I said previously, can assign a grade to it. That's it for my presentation about Google Classroom. Hopefully you'll use this in your future classroom because it truly is a productive and efficient website. Thank you.